Hello, my name is Vinny Alvino. I'm the Traffic Safety Product Manager for Laser Technology. I've been with the company now for 10 years, and the company itself's been in business right at 35 years. We have so many great strengths at Laser Technology. One of them being is we're really more like a family than a workplace. So I thought today was only natural to look at our family of laser speed equipment that we have for the traffic safety division. Before we begin today, I have a question, so it's going to be a little activity on your part. How many of you, how many of you have children? Well, I know I do, so I'm going to raise my hand, and I think there'll probably be a lot of other people either shaking their head or raising their hand, but I have children. And now another question. How many of you have three children or four children so that you have a middle child thing going on? That is either, the middle child is either the second or the third child, but they're right in the middle there. Okay. Well, over the years, I've had an opportunity to talk to many middle children. I don't know why that's interested me so much. I just wanted to see if those middle children kind of went through what my middle children or myself and Becky's middle children, they went, what our family went through. I wanted to see if any of you out there, maybe yourself, you're a middle child, so you know firsthand what that feels like. Well, one of the things I've noticed in talking to so many middle children is that they have just had to learn how to be resourceful and fend for themselves. You know what? Mom and dad were so busy with the eldest child. Perhaps at this time they were already getting into sports, right? Sports starts nowadays at 4 and 5, right? So they're doing sports and maybe they're playing an instrument, that kind of thing. And the baby is, the baby is the baby. They're so cute. Everything they do, you want to get a picture of because you're going, oh, I remember when our first child did this, and let's capture that on film, that kind of thing. In the meantime, the middle child, well, okay, so what I'm doing with this quarantine, I have a little bit of time to go through some family photos. That's kind of what I was doing last night. I got to thinking and then using this analogy for our speed lasers. So I'm going to show you some. Now this is a shameless plug for the children. They're just so beautiful. There's the children. Okay, now they were of course much younger now. Then they are. My goodness, they're in their 40s now. Found this one too. This is just a really cute one of them. Oh, I've always liked this. When I saw it again, I couldn't believe I hadn't seen it in a while. My only thing is I can only imagine what they're thinking. Then on the back of that one, I had one of the whole family. This one brought a tear to my eyes. Not so much for the children, but that I actually had hair at one time. That was amazing. Can't even believe. Anyway, I digress. So let's get back to looking at our speed lasers in a family setting. So we have three lasers that we sell to the speed enforcement divisions of most police departments. One of them is the True Vision. Now, the True Vision would be like the eldest child. The eldest child, if you can remember back to your own children, again, we were talking about photos. The eldest child has got literally thousands of images, thousands of photos. Everything they did was a picture, right? Um, I'm not talking, I know from what I'm talking about here. Every time they got up, fell down, rolled over, rolled back over, ate, didn't eat, yelled, screamed, smiled, whatever, burped, whatever it was, they got a picture taken. Thousands of them. So just like that, the True Vision gets a lot of press. There's all kinds of advertising on it. It's a wonderful piece of equipment that's doing extremely well in the speed enforcement industry today with the police departments. It has all the bells and whistles. It takes videos. It takes photos. So again, it's getting its due for sure out there, and it should. It's a great piece of equipment. Then we have the baby. Now the baby again, they get quite a few pictures taken of them as well. They get their certain amount of press, as it were, because again, they're the baby, the newest, the youngest. Everything they do, oh, it's so cute, and this and that, and you want to get a photo of it. And oh, I remember when my eldest was this age, and blah blah. You know, you go back and forth. You take all these photos, and again, they get all kinds of press. But then there is the middle child. In this family, the middle child is this unit. In this family of lasers, this is the middle child, the TrueSpeed LR. It's how to learn to be resourceful. You know, it does not get the press that the other units do, but this unit has it all. It's got, okay, first of all, it's got a polycarbonate body on it. So you can hear that right now. It's strong, it's durable. Um, it's made of what the bodies of the other units are made of. It also has a 4,000-foot range. Why is that important? Well, if you want to take speed enforcement at a long range where they might not be able to see you while you're doing the speed enforcement, 4,000 feet is a wonderful distance at which to take that shot. The other thing that comes into mind when you're thinking about the TrueSpeed LR is that this is the best part. In addition to it being water resistant, the best part is this. I'm going to hold it up again, and we're going to look at the back. This is one button, one function technology. It's brilliant. It's so easy to use. I mean, it's just so easy to use. So, for instance, in the morning when you go to do your test shots, right? You're gonna just press what looks like a test button or a check mark, and it's going to get you started down all those tests you need, right? You need to do your alignment tests. You need to do your distance tests, all those kinds of speed, you know, and this, as we know, this gets a zero speed at a fixed distance. So you could do those kind of tests. You want to go out in some kind of weather, uh, for instance, rain, you know, light rain or some kind of light snow. You could put a filter on there just by uh, you can put a gate on it just by pressing this button and so on. And then over here we have a continuous mode. So a lot of you out there like to use the continuous mode method of taking speed readings. Some like single shot, some like continuous, but with this unit it does both. So again, this unit just simply does it all, and it's at a price that's suitable for most departments. So you can put one of these in everybody's hands, and you don't have to share your speed enforcement tools amongst the department, amongst the division. So again, this is like the middle child of the family. It just has never gotten the press it deserves. We're so busy with the eldest, the True Vision, and so busy with the baby, as it were, you know, getting its due in the magazines and whatever else we might write about it, small e-blasts and things of that nature, that the TrueSpeed LR just simply does not get the visibility that it should be, but we want to change that. So what I'd like to propose to you today is this. If you have never used the TrueSpeed LR for speed enforcement at your department, I would like to recommend that you give our demo program a try. How does the demo program work? Well, the demo program at Laser Technology would enable you to take that unit out for 2 to 3 weeks, use it in all the conditions that you'd like. You can use it on the side roads, the highways, in rain, in snow, if it's that time of the year, things of that nature. Get used to using it for everybody in your department, and you could see you will come to like this. You'll say, you know, this is a very valuable tool for a speed enforcement toolbox. So with that said, how do we get to that demo program? Well, it's easy. All you need to do is call our company, Laser Technology. We're in Colorado. The number is 303-649-1000. Ask for sales. Tell the person on the other end of that line that you're interested in trying a TrueSpeed LR on the demo program, so you could take it and use it in your area and give it a whirl. And we are sure that you're going to come to like it. So again, the TrueSpeed LR, the middle child. Not a lot of press, a lot of good things. Reliable, dependable, resourceful, you know, just like your middle child is at home. So I want to thank you for your time today. Again, my name is Vinny Alvino. I am the Traffic Safety Product Manager at Laser Technology, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you.